Hello everyone, I'm Meenakshi, your career guide. So guys, today I'm going to tell you the way to answers in IELTS speaking module. So I'll be telling you few tips with which your bank score can go up. So in speaking, what things you have to consider while giving answers, just going to explain them. So first of all, speaking part 1 has questions, even part 3 has questions also. So whenever you are asked questions, you have to answer appropriately. Two or three things are there you have to keep in your mind, and I'll be telling you first, then we'll be practicing the same. So guys, when you are preparing for speaking part, in case of answers, I suggest you to avoid same question statement, or you must not repeat the statement of the questions in your answer. You must think beyond that. You can use synonyms, you can use another sentence if you want to get better score. So this is very basic thing, and if required you can use contraction also. So guys, let's start without wasting the time. So suppose you get the question, do you have many friends? Here you are expected to answer also. Answer with the reason what I want to say. So here you can start with yes, because whenever we have question with the helping verb such as do, is, am, are, was, were, so we can start with yes or no also. So do you have many friends? Yes. Being a sociable person. So here the person is not repeating, yes, I have friends. They are saying, being a sociable person, I have lot of friends who are my classmates and neighbors. We all share a healthy relation. So in this way, the test taker has not repeated the statement of the question, but the person has given the answers in a better way without a repetition of the statement. So in this way you can give answer. Let's practice few more questions. See, how often do you go out with your friends? Here, why or why not? If you don't go, you can say no also. But if you say yes, then you have to explain why yes. In both the situations, you have to give reason. Just consider that, avoid repetition of the statement of the question, and give reason always. Here, how often? I prefer outing with my friends every weekend. So every weekend is the answer of how often. So you can say quite often also, but every weekend tells the exact time. We have often every Saturday and Sunday. So we plan to dinner together outside. Sometimes we plan a weekend trip also. So in this way, you can answer. Let's practice more questions. Tell me about your best friend at school. Though I have many friends in my group, but the best one is Lucy. She's jovial, helpful, and trustworthy. We used to make assignments together in school time. Besides, we used to take part in singing competition. Guys, it's very beautifully answered. See, first of all, thou has been used, which is cohesive device. Next, vocabulary has been used. Used to. Used to here means routine in the past. So school, like whatsoever we used to do in school is must be in the past. So that's why used to, because it was routine activity in the past. So that's why it has been used. Besides also is another cohesive device. So if you use cohesive devices, one or two are enough. Don't use more than limit. So let's practice another question. How friendly are you with your neighbors? Again, reason is there why and why not. I share good bonding with my neighbors. We are quite helpful to each other. We share our sorrows and happiness. So in this way, how friendly means good bonding, helpful, and share sorrows and happiness is exact answer of how friendly are you with your neighbors. So guys, next question. Which is more important to you, friends or family? See, here both are important. We can't deny their importance. So both are valuable at their own place. If I talk about family, they have nourished me with the moral values, and friends are those who teach me social skills. So both are precious to me. So guys, here there's no repetition of sentence. There's no copy of the answer from the statement of the question, and the answer has been logically explained with this logical reasoning. So these are beautiful ways to answer. If you target good score, then you have to follow these tips. If you repeat, then obviously the score may not be up to mark. Maybe your desired score may not be attained. So I want to suggest you only focus on quality. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching till end. definitely I'll bring more tips for you, which would be helpful to you when you prepare for IELTS, PTE, OET, or if you want to improve your English. Everywhere, these are useful. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching till end and kindly subscribe our channel. Your subscription motivates us.